Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make automatic subtitles like the ones you see here right now with just one simple click. So let's get started. So what we need to do, instead of opening our video editor like this and trying to add text and trying to add subtitles manually, go to your browser and search for CaptionBolt and go to this website CaptionBolt.com, and from here click on finish a video free, and I'm going to sign in with my account. You can create an account or use Google if you want. Sign in. So right now you can select any video here. This is the dashboard. From here you select any video you want. Let's choose a video. You can select a vertical video like this, or you can select a horizontal video. So let's go for vertical video for now. Select, and from here spoken language, auto detect, or you can select the language that you want. It supports many languages, and click on create video. Wait for it to upload. Right now it finished uploading, preparing your video, transcribing, extracting speech with AI. And as you can see, here is my video here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wi-Fi on your computer. As you can see, automatic subtitles, nothing needs to be added, just like this. And from here, you can change the style that you want. Let's select another style. You can select, for example, this one word style, double click, and it will automatically change. Board, you are going to need to buy a USB adapter like this one from, let's select this Hormozy Glow. Double click, and as you can see, it's added. This one is a cheap Chinese one. It cost me less, and you can edit on it from here. Click on these, and from here you can change the font if you want. You can change size like this. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can change this color, the first color and the second color. Like I can make the second color red, and from here you change the caption position. You can make it in the middle, or you can make it on the top or on the bottom. Then $3. And also from here you can add some settings to your text, like adding an outline and adding a shadow and a background like this. Let's increase the size, as you can see here, and you can add some animation and keyword emphasis, but let's leave that for now. And here in text editor you can see all the text. You can change it if something is not correct. You can go to resize. This is going to resize the whole video. It's like here, it's here a vertical video. You can change it to horizontal video like this. It's going to add a background to make it a horizontal video, but I'm going to leave it original for now. You can also add a cover or a b-roll if you want. Like you can add some AI b-rolls, but I'm not going to add that. You can add logos. You can select any picture you want and add it as a logo to the video. Like let's select anything for now like this, and it's going to be here, and you can move it like this. You can make it bigger or smaller like this. You can add a progression bar for the video. After you have finished, you can go here to templates. If you want to save this to use it automatically the next time you make a video, you can just save your current template here, save it, and select it, my template for next videos. You can save it and use it automatically next time without having to change anything. You can use it from here. And after you finish, you can also cut any part of the video that you want. You can remove any part of the video, cutting like this, and click on apply trim, and it's going to cut it to make the video shorter. And after you finish, you just go to export video, and here is the video. Now it's going to start rendering. Here it says estimated time left 6 minutes. Wait for it to finish, and then you can download your video. I've tested this one before. I open it like this. In this video, I'm going to show you. Let's click on download MP4, and also you can download the subtitles and text alone. Like from here, you can download an SRT file to use it later. So download MP4, save it to downloads folder, and right now it's downloaded. If I go to my downloads, here is the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wi-Fi on your computer. So if you don't have Wi-Fi, and this was a horizontal video, like not only vertical videos can be used, any aspect ratio can be used. This is much easier than trying to add manual subtitles in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere. It's going to save you much time. And also, if you go here to pricing, you can use it for free if you want. It will give you a 10 minutes a month. You can try it for free if you want. There is a starter pack, a pro pack, and a max pack. You can try anyone if you want. If you use the link in the description or use the code me on PC, you can have a 50% discount. Now if I go here, right now the video is finished. Wi-Fi stick video, vertical. This is the video we have just done. If I click on download, save to downloads folder, save. Let's open, and here is our video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wi-Fi on your computer. So if you don't have Wi-Fi built in your motherboard, you are going to need to buy a USB adapter like this one. As you can see, it's working fine without any problems at all. So everyone, that's it for today's video. And remember, you can get 50% off of your purchase if you use the link in the video description, or you can use the code me on PC. That will also give you a 50% discount. So everyone, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.